welcome to Consultant Chronicle. On this episode, Mark Thompson continues his three-part series on preparing for your certification exam. Also on this episode, industry buzzwords in 60 seconds.
Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Mark Thompson. In our previous episode, we started a series on IT certification. Before we get to that, I wanted to give you a heads up on two episodes that we're currently working on. We're going to have a corporate trainer visit us, and we're going to talk about curriculum. We're going to talk about design and delivery of a successful corporate training class. We're also going to have an episode where we answer the big question. You know what that big question is. Do I have what it takes to become an independent IT consultant? Looking forward to those two episodes. Thanks for watching. Let's continue our episode on IT certification. Answer all questions. Now, notice my note here. You may have to guess on a particular question or two. You don't have a clue. I've never heard of this terminology before. I've never seen this. It may happen. Do me a favor, guys. Answer it. It's multiple choice. Answer the question. Pay attention. Reading comprehension is your friend. There's a reason they use some of these words in the question. It's there for a reason, either to sway you or to guide you or to explain. So please read the question. Try to answer intelligently. But you don't have a clue, right? So the example I'm talking about, you don't have a clue. I'm going to answer it. A, B, C, D, I don't care how you come up with this, but answer it. Mark it for later review. Going forward, pay attention to the remaining questions. You may find clues in future questions. There's a question and they're asking you, or they give you a scenario, and the scenario says, when you create a partition, you use the diskpart tool. You've never heard of diskpart. You're not sure if they're trying to psych you out. But they give you some multiple choices. Answer it, mark it. 5-10 minutes later, there is another question, and the question states, after using diskpart, now you have a clue. That really is a tool. There really is such a tool called diskpart. Okay? Great. So, mark it, please. It is critical. Pay attention. Now, let's say you've gone through the entire exam, and you would like to review the answers. You have some doubts. You want to review these answers that you've marked. This one is the most important advice I can give you. The first bullet here. Unless you have a reason to change your answer, leave it alone. Don't make change for making change. Because I marked it, it means that I should make a change. No. You can't find a reason to change your answer. Please leave it alone. Second guessing is not allowed. You will thank me later for that. It happens. I've experienced all of this. I have failed exams. And here I am giving you a lecture on taking exams. I'm coming clean, guys. I have failed exams, and I know why I failed the exams. Most of it is the technique. You're going to have the knowledge. That's not a problem. Okay? So because you've gone through the entire exam, you did pick up some clues from some of the other questions. So you can go back and mark or maybe remove the marks that you've put in there. You can remove them and feel confident. You know what? I chose option B. I'm still not going to use A. I'm not going to use choice D. I'm going to stick with B or D or whatever it is, guys. So please stick to your guns on this. Industry buzzwords in 60 seconds. Let's start the timer. IoT, or Internet of Things. Basically, devices that communicate with each other. They exchange data and they collect data. These devices, you find them in your home and office. Thermostats, garage door openers, lights, yes, your refrigerator. All those are part of Internet of Things. Your mobile device seems to be the center of it right now. That will change. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Thompson.